Just by glancing at the previously leaked glass images, you may get a good idea of how the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feel in your hands. Although we've previously seen several third-party screen protectors for the Galaxy S25 series, this time around we're receiving a new round of images that highlight some sleek 3D and tempered glass choices. The S25 Ultra seems to be really elegant and high-end to handle, which is usually a huge plus for a flagship phone. With its symmetrical, ultra-thin bezels, the whole Galaxy S25 series is expected to have a very fashionable look. Rumor has it that these bezels are even thinner than those seen on Apple's iPhone 16 Pro range, which undoubtedly elevates the S25 series appearance somewhat. If the rumors are true, the S25 Ultra may be just a hair taller and slimmer than the S24. To make it seem even more elegant, they have also succeeded in reducing the width of the center frame on both sides. The Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus are also seen in these leaked images, in addition to the Ultra model. The S25 Plus is expected to have even more remarkable characteristics to satisfy those who want a bit more, while the standard S25 is preparing to be a little but strong flagship. Just a quick note, the non-Ultra model's bezels could be a little bigger than the S25 Ultras, but honestly, it's a bit of a stretch to base any final design decisions on these leaked images of third-party screen protectors alone. Here's where things get a little bit complicated. Samsung formally unveiled the Exynos 2500 a few months ago, and it seems that this chip may be used in at least some of the Galaxy S25 smartphones. Some rumors indicate that Samsung may use Snapdragon chips all over the world. Meanwhile, others are making references to MediaTek chips. Honestly, it's a bit of a mess at the moment. The well-known analyst Maniqua claims that Samsung is attempting to acquire additional Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chips, also referred to as Snapdragon 8 Elite, from Qualcomm this year. If this is true, we may see Snapdragon chips in all Galaxy S25 devices globally. This chip is allegedly Qualcomm's most expensive and potent mobile processor to date. With each chip costing around $180, they're expected to ship about 9 million of them this year. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.